I'm Charlie Lane with AMCO Manufacturing, and today I want to introduce you to the newest product in AMCO's lineup, the Dominator ditcher. Now the first thing I want to point out is the heavy, robust frame we have on this ditcher. It is a all-welded tubular mainframe with a 14 by 10 by 36 inch chain casing. The ripper shank bracket is also tubular and is standard on Dominator models. This fits category 2 and 3 hitches, is quick hitch compatible. The drive line is 1000 PTO only, so we offer 1 3/8 21 spline or 1 3/4 20 spline. We also have a PTO storage hook right here, so when you get done with it for the year, you put it on that and keep it out of the dirt. The Dominator comes standard with an adjustable 24 to 26 inch cutter head. It is a 5-bladed head, and each blade is heat treated and replaceable. Next, I'm going to bring you around and show you the chain casing. Again, the 14 by 10 by 36 inch casing. It has a removable top plate and side plate for easy access. Inside the chain casing is a dual 80 chain, which runs in a continuous oil bath. It also has a idler sprocket, adjustable idler sprocket for adjusting the drive chain tension. This bolt right here is how you adjust it. All you have to do is loosen the jam nut, apply the proper tension to the bolt. Once you get it where you want it, tighten back down that jam nut. Very easy to do. On the back here you can see the bearings, which have a 2-year warranty. And down here is our rear depth skid that is adjustable with the ratchet jack. This also helps pack down and form the ditch as you're running through the field.